This lecture addresses two parallel but somehow related groups of helper verbs. Those indicate rumors or estimation based on evidences, and those express a clear assertion. First group, hearsay. There are two words here. Rashi. This word remains in modern Japanese, became one very basic word, rashi, in classical Japanese. The center meaning of this word is very similar to that in modern Japanese, to indicate a judgment based on obvious and objective evidences. 桃とせに人とせたらぬつくもがみ我をこうらし面影に見う Briefly, あと1年で100歳に届く白髪の女性、私に恋を覚えているに違いないと、そのような姿を見た。To express a similar meaning, there was another word, nari. It more or less can be translated as そうだと聞いている in modern Japanese. Indicates a type of estimation which was passed on from other people. Pay attention that while carrying out this meaning, nari has to follow a verb in its predicative form, 終止形。男もすなる日記というものを、男の人々が記す日記というものを。Now, we move to the next group. Two words to indicate assertion or to be. This time, it is a clear judgment, or in other words, the speakers take the responsibility to the given statement. The first word in this group is, again, the same nari. However, this time, the use of this word is very different. Nari follows the attributive form, 連体形, of a verb. This is the obvious sign to distinguish the usage between this one, assertion, and the previous one, hearsay. 女もしてみんとでするなり。女の自分も試してみようと筆を取った。The next word in this group is tari, to express exactly the same meaning with a nari for assertion. Again, here is a fundamental difference. Tari is used after a noun. 人のやっこたるものは、正罰甚だしく、恩子厚きを先どす。しもべとなる人間は、正罰を明らかにし、恩義を大切にする主人に従う。See you at the next lecture.